This is Harcourt in the series of questions of getting to know Harcourt. The last part I was talking about different people. You get Chubu people who are struggling, people who are not making it, people who are useless. So I had just wrapped up and said that Joe the Plumber, in Harcourt's opinion, is a Chubu person. And myself, Harcourt Kotelidon, I am a Chubu person. I'm struggling and struggling to make ends meet. You may have seen my other videos where I did not have correct lighting, as sometimes the electricity cuts out from time to time. People looking for water because they are thirsty. People hungry. The next, what I like to call the tubeless people, are people that are very much important to Mr. Harcourt and very, very dear to my heart. If you've been watching other videos, you know that Mitt Romney is a personal favorite of mine. I look up to Mitt Romney. What I also put in the same category, Bobby Jindal, the governor of Louisiana, doing a nice job mopping the streets, cleaning the sewage, and Bobby Jindal, watch out for him in 2012 along with Mitt Romney. Another Chubu person, I like the singer Mary J. Blige. She has got talent. One of my favorite songs is Take Me As I Am. She's just saying that I'm a nurse, I'm a politician, I'm a scientist, I'm a computer analyst, and just accept me as I am. And that's why I love you, Mary J. Blige. You are a tubeless person. You have graduated from being a chubu into a tire without a tube. I have here basketball players that I like. I like Garnett Kevin from the Celtics of Boston. I like Brian Kobe. Brian Kobe from the Lakers, from the West Coast. He plays like a devil, a talented devil. And not to mention James LeBron. LeBron James, who is also very talented. Actors, I like action man, Charlie Bronson. Where are you these days, Charlie Bronson? I have not seen any videos of you, Charlie Bronson. You are the main man. There's also Wesley Snipes, although I now kind of dropped him like a hot potato because he was cheating on taxis and taking money, and that's not very good. The other guy is Stallone. From First Blood, Rambo. I watched Rocky Balboa with Mr. T in the third part, and when he fights the Russian in the fourth one. I'm a huge fan of Stallone. I am also liking Hugo Weaving from New Zealand or Australia. You might remember him from movies like The Matrix. He played Agent Smith, where he was fighting Neo, and he acted very nicely. And he also acted in another movie that I like personally, V for Vendetta, which was an excellent movie from a graphic novel. Other people who I look up to, other tubeless people, are people from YouTube, like Sexy Philip DeFranco. He has a show, Sexy Philly or Philly TV. You are doing a good job, Philip. Lots of love from Zimbabwe, Mozambique, South Africa, Zambia, and Botswana. There's also Chad Vader, who plays Darth Vader in a supermarket. I like Chad Vader. And then there's Hot for Words, but let's the girl who hosts Hot for Words, but she's in another section that I will talk about just now. So let's hold off on Hot for Words. Then, last but not least, a personal African hero is Shaka Zulu. He is actually, I am descendant from Shaka Zulu, kind of. My grandmother used to tell me this, and I love Shaka Zulu. He implemented all kinds of war fighting strategies, and he's a personal favorite of mine.